Here are the best MagSafe multi-chargers for your iPhone, AirPods, and Apple Watch. Welcome everybody to Apple Insider. It is Andrew here and I love MagSafe. It's a convenient, easy way to charge your iPhone, attach different accessories like wallets, and mount it, whether you're at home, in the car, or anywhere in between. One of the most useful applications of MagSafe is charging. And there's a ton of different MagSafe chargers on the market. In this video, I'm going to be walking through several different MagSafe chargers that can power up multiple devices at the same time. So you can charge your iPhone, your Apple Watch, and your AirPods all with one device. In total, I have about 8 different chargers here to walk through. I'm going to give you my top #1 pick and then go through a bunch of honorable mentions, and I'll let you guys tell me which one is your favorite down below in the comments. So let's go ahead and kick things off. Unsurprisingly, the first one on my list is the Belkin Boost Charge Pro 3-in-1. What makes this great is not only was this one of the very first ones out there, but it's actually already received a second version. That's right, the original one of these launched with an official MagSafe puck for 15 watts of power, an Apple Watch module, and a Qi charging pad at the bottom. They even have a 2-in-1 version, ditching the Apple Watch puck. But what I like about this is it was updated for a fast charge Apple Watch puck. So now you can get fast MagSafe charging, fast Apple Watch charging, and power up your AirPods down below. Really handy design, sold in Apple stores, and there's 2 different color schemes, this white one as well as a black version. My second favorite one right now comes with a little bit of an asterisk because technically my particular favorite version is only a 2-in-1 charger, and that's this guy here from Otterbox. So nice design, very compact, super compact actually. I love the metal for the base. It has a USB-C port, comes with a very nice braided USB-C cable with a power adapter, all very high quality, an official MagSafe puck here at the front for 15 watts of power, and a fast charge Apple Watch module there in the back. Really handy, and for me, bedside, I don't need that third charging spot, so I'm okay with this, and I like that the MagSafe module actually can tilt, so you can do completely flat, straight up, or push it straight down, having it facing directly towards you, so you can adjust that angle, which is really handy. But if you do want a 3-in-1 version, you are in luck because they just released an updated model that does have an Apple Watch charger as well as an AirPods charger. So this guy here, brand new 3-in-1, MagSafe here, fast charging Apple Watch on the side, and AirPods dock there at the bottom. All nicely compact, USB-C in the back, cable, braided, power adapter, all included in the box. Really nice package. This one is not adjustable, which is why it's not as good for me as the first Otterbox one, but it's still a very compact one compared to some of the other ones that we're going to look at. This next one makes my list because it's not just a 3-in-1 charger. It's actually a 4-in-1 charger, and that is this guy here from Hyper. So this HyperJuice 4-in-1 charger is a beast, and this is fantastic for me here in the studio because I can charge 4 things all at once. You have your MagSafe puck, your Apple Watch puck, a Qi charger, and a smaller AirPods Qi charger. On top of that, the MagSafe puck is adjustable, so I can tilt that up and down, and the entire stem folds flat for travel. So I can actually stick this into a bag and it's nearly completely flat there. Super easy to bring this thing along, and it just powers up over USB-C or a DC-in barrel connector. So you have an option on how you provide juice to this 4-in-1 charger. The downside for me is it is on the larger side of all the chargers. 4-in-1 makes sense. The other downside is that it's a regular speed Apple Watch charger, not a fast charging module. I would have preferred fast charging, but this came to market fairly early and those modules were really hard to come by. So I would expect an updated version at some point to include that, but as of now, this is definitely high on my list for multi-device MagSafe chargers. Mophie is #4 on my list of favorite chargers for their portable design. This is not for everybody, but if you want a portable MagSafe charger, it's hard to beat this. This thing rolls up completely into this little compact pouch, great for on the go, and it includes a little travel case that you can throw this in as well as a cable and the power adapter, everything you need in this little pouch to take with you. On this you have your MagSafe puck in the middle, 15 watts of speed. You have a standard Apple Watch puck, which also will pivot up so you can lay it flat or rotate it up, which is great for nightstand mode, and then an AirPods charger there on the end. So charge all three, soft touch finish to the outside, magnetic closure, and a pouch to put everything in. Really neat device. Even though not using it every day, it's really nice to have around. With that, let's go on to the honorable mentions, and they're still worth mentioning, though they aren't in my top 4, but there's a reason why. So let's look at them. So the first one up, from 12 South. This is the most recent high-rise, and it actually feels very solid. I love that it has a metal pole, it's white, that matches this very nice Apple aesthetic. It's got this white on light gray color pattern, which reminds me a little bit of an Apple Store and all the trays that they have in there. It looks great. There's USB-C input on the bottom. Fantastic. The things that are a little bit weird, though, this is not Apple certified. So this is not an actual Apple certified MagSafe charger, which is evident because of this large flat surface. But with that large flat surface, it makes it easier to tap. So especially in the morning, you have your alarm going off, you want to hit snooze or something at the bottom, you can hit this and it's rock solid. Your phone's not going anywhere. Whereas, if I grabbed another charger, like this Belkin one here, and you press heavily on the bottom, your phone's going to pivot right off. So it has this large flat surface that for certain users in certain situations is extremely handy to have. And I like that it has the Apple Watch charger built in. It's the like seamless look here at the top, and it feels very smooth and finished, but again, not Apple certified for the Apple Watch charging puck. Whether you think that's a good thing or a bad thing, it gives a unique appearance that no other one on our list has. So for that reason, and the added functionality of that large flat surface, the new 12 South high-rise makes the list of honorable mentions. The next honorable mention is from ESR. This is a very cool idea for a MagSafe charger. So again, 3-in-1 design. You do have your headphone charger down here at the bottom for your AirPods, you have an Apple Watch charger on the side, and your MagSafe puck here at the top. The Apple Watch charger, though, is not actually included. So this is just my normal Apple Watch charger that I've routed in here. It'll work with both the USB-C and USB-A versions of the Apple Watch charging puck, and then just slide it into place. So technically, this can have fast charging using the most recent version of the Apple Watch charger. But the top, though, this is not an official MagSafe module, which means it's not going to get full 15 watts of power. But what ESR has done is build in an active cooling system. So there's fans in here that are circulating cool air to help keep the temperature down. By keeping the temperature down, it's able to charge faster for longer. So even though it can only get up to 7.5 watts of power, it should be able to sustain those speeds for longer periods of time and give you superior charging experience for your iPhone. Finally, we have a new one from Journey. What's great about this guy, again, we have a metal stem here at the back. I like that anodized aluminum appearance that matches Apple's aesthetic. We have our AirPods charger there at the bottom, very easy to use. Then we have our charging puck near at the top, and it rotates flat all the way to nearly perfectly flat there at the top. This, again, is not Apple certified for MagSafe, which means you're only going to get 7.5 watts of power. But what's kind of cool is the Apple Watch charger on the back. So by default, they're including a normal Apple Watch charger, not the fast one, because those modules are just really hard to get right now. But it can be removed. You just pull out, and it's technically just a USB-C charger. So you can take this little module with you and charge your Apple Watch wherever you go just by removing this. And in the future, you can buy a new Apple Watch module and install it and get faster charging speeds. That's still hypothetical, but Journey says that's kind of the plan to be able to offer that improved experience when these modules become available. So it's nice that you can upgrade it, and you can even get it without the Apple Watch puck if you don't need it. But I love that overall design of this. I think it's a sleek charger, and the Apple Watch removability is top notch. So let me know what you guys think of all of these chargers. We started off with the Belkin 3-in-1 topping out my list, following by a pair from Otterbox with slightly different designs. We have the 4-in-1 charger from Hyper, the Hyper Juice 4-in-1, really nice one. Before getting to the 3 honorable mentions, the 12 South High Rise, the one from Journey, and the one from ESR. All of these are linked down below in the description, and if you guys tell me which ones are your favorites, I'll do a second follow-up video where I'm going to do a charging test on all of them to see how fast they actually charge your iPhone. Let me know down below in the comments, and that video will be coming very soon. Otherwise, stay tuned. I've got a lot more content headed your way.